Hey guys, just want to upload a video. Want to tell you guys how to fix the squeak sound of the Sienna second row. This seat is specifically behind my passenger seats. My version is the 2025 Sienna Limited with the Ottoman seats. So I noticed this really annoying squeak sound since a couple weeks ago, but I only own this car probably like just half a year. So basically I noticed that the squeak sound that came from like right here. So I actually also loop like this area and it didn't work. So after I tried to locate the sound, it actually came from like right here, especially like this screw. So I also watched a video on YouTube and someone also posted that. So basically what I do is I just lose that screw just a little bit. So because when I try to lose it, it's really tight. So you probably have to use some strength to lose it. Because it is too tight, I think because the summertime the temperature changes, so it's become too tight. So that's why there's like some squeak sound happening. So but that works for me. So after the test for like road trip, I didn't hear anything from sound. So I'm gonna to close it. So how to open it? So basically I think you have to lift this part like first, and you're gonna open like all the way from here. You see there's like a cap like right here. So basically you're gonna all the way open from the top, and there's also a clip like right here going to this way. So if you lose just a little bit, it didn't make too much differences. I don't think there's like safety issue. So yeah, so if I have anything updates, I will let you guys know. Basically you're gonna use the T55 Torx bit, and you want to do like more counter crosswise. Believe me, it's gonna be really tight at the very beginning. So just make sure if the seat is on the right side, just do counterclockwise. So yeah, I hope this video helps. As I went to the dealerships, they said there's no issue of the seats. They're shitty, they're crap. So trust yourself.